Trump hinted at a ceasefire plus SpaceX IPO tomorrow. Here's what it means for the stock market, plus the 10 stocks I'm watching as a result. Late today, President Trump announced that he has officially canceled the planned military strikes and bombing against the Iranian military forces after negotiations reportedly reached the highest level of Iranian leadership. Trump said, based on the fact that the discussions with the Islamic Republic of Iran have been brought to the highest level of Iranian leadership and approved, I have, as the President of the United States of America, canceled the scheduled strikes and bombings against Iran this evening. He also stated that multiple countries, including Israel, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Turkey, Pakistan, all those, Egypt, Jordan, you name it, the United States have approved the framework of the agreement. The only thing remaining is the final signing. So what does that mean for the investors? If a ceasefire actually happens, one of the biggest risks hanging over the stock market could disappear overnight. When investors fear war in the Middle East, money typically flows into oil, defense, and safe haven assets. But when tensions cool down, investors usually rotate back into growth stocks. That could be a major tailwind for companies like nvda, AMD, Tesla, pltr, and the NASDAQ as a whole. Google has the best technical setup right now. It has a pin bar at a break and retest of a resistance turn support. Lower geopolitical risk often means more risk taking, more AI exposure, and more money flowing back into technology. But that's not the only story. Tomorrow could be one of the biggest IPO days in stock market history. SpaceX is expected to begin trading. And whenever a company of that size hit the public market, investors start searching for the next SpaceX. And that's why stocks like rklb, asts, Space Mobile, Intuitive Machines, Planet Labs, and Iridium could also see increased attention, not because they're SpaceX, but because investors want exposure to the space economy without paying whatever premium SpaceX opens at. Now imagine what happens if we get both catalysts at the same time, a ceasefire reducing global uncertainty, and the largest space IPO in history, bringing fresh excitement to the market. That could be big news. That combination could create powerful risk-on environment for technology, AI, and space-related stocks. So tomorrow I'm watching two things. Number one, do we get an official ceasefire agreement signed? And number two, does SpaceX open strong and pull the entire space sector higher? Because if both happen, the biggest opportunities may not be the headlines, they may be the stocks connected to them.